Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we're gonna have a pumpkin hunt. I'm so excited because the kids actually get to go into our pumpkin patch and they start to uncover. Our vines got very long and kind of hidden, and it's a wild, weedy mess over there, but we do have some big, beautiful pumpkins. I planted so late this year, and so typically we would probably have 30 or 40 pumpkins. I mean, we're gonna be lucky if we have 8. I also planted some blue Hubbard squash this year because I heard that that was a trap crop for squash bug, and it actually wasn't at all. It wasn't even, I think we found like 3 squash bugs on those plants. The rest of them were in the pumpkin patch, and we actually dealt a lot with vine borer this year, and we had to like replant the stems or the vines and all of that so that they would, you know, not lose water because vine borers crawl into the stem. Anyway, so, but today we're gonna go through and I'm gonna let the kids find all the pumpkins, and we'll see what kind of harvest we have from those and the blue Hubbard squash. We have 2 different types of pumpkins that we're dealing with. We did Connecticut field pumpkin this year, and we also did Amish pie pumpkin. And the Amish pie pumpkins are really cute and almost heart-shaped. They're so cute. But the Connecticut field pumpkins just so awesomely look like your typical fall pumpkins that are just big and you just want to carve into them. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that, and then we're gonna carve our pumpkins this year. I like to scoop out the seeds and just roast them and put a little salt or flavorings on them and have a great little snack. But so we're gonna get to the great pumpkin hunt and see what our harvest looks like this year. So the blue Hubbard squash we planted right here by our sheep pen, and we did that because in this area last year is where we did our compost heap. They grew super well. I actually didn't expect them to grow this well. They might have some frost damage on them, but overall, and some chicken damage, but overall I think they look pretty good. They are a very neat squash to have. So I'm gonna have the kids come and get these. Get set, go! Claim your blue Hubbard squash. Okay, blue Hubbards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, that was way more than I thought. There is some damage on them, but that's okay. We're doing good. We're doing good so far. What do you think, Jed? Good. Yeah. On your marks. Christopher offsides. Get set, false start. Go! Let me see. Jed found one too?
Yep.
Hey.
That's the last one.
That's a cutie patootie. That is one heck of a haul, Jed.
I know. It's big.
They're big, aren't they?
Yeah.
So it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I feel like there's more. I feel like we're missing some. 10. We did get 10.
11.
11. Oh, I'm not seeing the little ones, am I? So we got quite a haul this year.
Yeah.
No, get off of there, Goofy.
I love these pumpkins.
It's so cool, huh? Okay, so we have our harvest and we're back at the table. I'm not a very good artist, so I'm letting the kids do this. They already know about safety instructions with knives, so nobody needs to worry. And Jed has one that can't possibly cut him. So they're going to draw out their faces first, or their design, and then they're gonna cut into them. So let's watch them do this.
We already got our plan. Hold on, let me tell you. We're gonna put the, okay, so right here's its face and right here's its mouth, and we'll put it here.
For what?
The big pumpkin is eating the baby pumpkin.
Oh, that's kind of funny. Let's see how that turns out.
I hope it doesn't turn out bad.
Okay, we actually have a ton of seeds in this bowl that I was just going to pick out, but I think I'm going to take them inside and wash them so that we can actually go ahead, and while the kids are working on their carvings, I'm going to rinse these off really well and put them on a Silpat, and I'll show you when I'm done. So I thought I'd just give this quick tip and show. I've got the water, let me run it. I've got the water going. If you have all that gunky stuff on your seeds, just run it under water and really like massage all the seeds out of it. And then look, I mean, you can just start scooping off seeds. I mean, that is probably the easiest way to go for this, and then stick them in a colander. And it should look something like this. It is not fully dry, so I'm going to put this in a 250 degree oven for 1 hour. Some people like to let this dry overnight, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put it at 250 for 1 hour. Okay, I accidentally overcooked mine a little bit. But the blonde ones are pretty good. Let's see what the kids think. Okay, gang. We've got some pumpkin seeds to try. Tell me what you think.
They're really good.
Are they?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Do you like them?
They're better than the ones in the store too.
Oh, I
These are
know.
extra crunchy.
They're extra crunchy, and they like, I feel like the ones in the store are only salt.
They have more. These don't have as much shell too.
Yeah, they're like,
I
thinner.
actually wouldn't have to spit this out.
Yeah, I agree. Do you guys like them for a snack?
Yeah.
I
Well,
feel like it needs a little bit more salt, but other than that, it's
I'm
pretty
gonna
good.
eat.
yeah.
I'm gonna eat all of them.
And you could actually do flavors too. You could do like maybe garlic and salt. That'd be real good.
Very
But
good.
I think like just a little bit of sugar and maybe some cinnamon would be a nice sweet treat too. Do you think so?
That'd be awesome.
Okay, cool. Okay, here we go. All right, Selah Jewel. Let me see. Turn it around.
Okay.
Nah! How cute.
This is a mouth with the teeth. There's a teeth missing here. This is the nose. These are the eyes, and I got some help and made some big ears.
Are those bear ears?
Yeah.
Nana and Papa will love that, huh?
Mhm.
Because they live in North Carolina.
Yeah.
That's a great job. Selah has never carved a pumpkin before. I think you did a very good job.
And Elijah hasn't too.
Okay, how did you guys like this?
It was really fun.
This was fun. Okay, so Jed gave Elijah his little pumpkin to do. So Elijah, you want to reveal your masterpiece?
Oh,
Did it fall?
yeah. It's fine.
Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can get it. Show this. You're showing it like there's a chunk taken out of the little pumpkin's head. And my, what a big mouth. Yeah, that's a really cute one. That's a really cute one. I love that. That's great. So here are all three of them together. What's funny and what kind of makes me a little nervous is all three of them are either mean or scared. That was not our intention, was mean or scared. But those are good, guys. Okay, Daddy, they want to show you their pumpkins. So here we go.
All right.
Be careful.
See.
Jed's.
Oh, that's good, buddy.
Don't.
Whoa! Oh.
They kind of go together. And here's Missy's.
Oh.
Selah's is a bear. Watch out, Jed.
That's great. Oh, he's eating him.
Elijah's is eating Jed's. Aren't those great?
That's great. That's great. That's funny. Oh, it's like the horror pumpkins.
Yes. Okay. Well, there you have it. So we had a pretty, we planted really late this year. So we actually had a pretty good turnout from this. What did I say? Didn't we have like 18 to 20 pumpkins and squash? And we haven't even touched the butternut squash yet. That'll have to be another video because there's lots of things we can cook with butternut squash. And we didn't have as good of a year this year for that though. But we did have excellent year for this. And we just had so much fun doing this. This is great. And later we'll go ahead and put the candles in them and light them. It's so cute. And remember, you can do anything in these. They don't have to be faces. You can write words and all sorts of things, but it's just fun to, you can also use gourds and squashes this way too, and they make excellent little lanterns and just different festive things. And I don't know, what do you guys think? Was it fun?
Yeah!
And so, actually, I better say something too about the our faked pumpkin seeds. And so those pumpkin seeds were extremely easy. You just give those a good massage, get all that like gooky stuff off of it. Get all that gooky stuff off of it, and then you dry them in the oven, 250 degrees, and then you bake them at 350 with oil and salt and whatever seasonings you want on them. Maybe even make them sweet, I was thinking. And it just gives such a nutty flavor to it, and it's fun for us to utilize all the parts of the pumpkin, I think. Huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So remember, if we can grow pumpkins, if we can carve pumpkins, and we can roast our pumpkin seeds, anybody can.
Bye.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.